విదుషి రంజని గారు, విదుషి గాయత్రి గారు, మీ ఇద్దరికీ సాదర స్వాగతం. పద్మశ్రీ పురస్కార గ్రహీతలైనందుకు మీకు నమస్కారం, ధన్యవాదాలు ఫర్ ఆల్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ ఫర్ మ్యూజిక్.
నమస్కారం అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సప్నాజీ, చాలా సంతోషం.
Which is your favorite song? He looked at me like, can you even ask that question? So I understand for a
easy
musician.
for me. My favorite raga is Ranjini.
No, she's just kidding.
No, it is not. I'm not.
Okay. I think whatever that she delineates at that moment, I think that raga is so beautiful that I would think that is my best raga.
Ranjani.
No, whatever she handles.
Oh, whatever she
She's
handles,
saying
okay.
the way I sing Ranjini is her favorite raga.
No, whatever she sings. Whenever I hear any raga from her, I think, oh, this is the best raga in the world. Because that is a kind of authenticity and emotion that is there. In actually, all ragas are celestial beings, They're devatas. So it has so much of depth and beauty. In every raga is beautiful. It is your limitation, I believe.
If you're not able to make it your favorite, then it is our lack of sight.
No, and then your favorite film playback singer that you have admired through across times, and it can be from the ancient times or older times or current generation.
Actually, my favorite has been, if I look at Bollywood, because initial music, especially popular music, has been through Bollywood because we were born and brought up in Mumbai. Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Mohammad Rafi, Manna Dey, they are my favorites.
So you do listen to their...
Yes.
For me, it is Sushilama, SPB Garu, Yesudas. I think these people are just all-time greats.
Yes.
So they also are added to our favorites.
Is it okay for me to request you to hum one song, maybe one line, just a couple of lines?
Okay, Mohammad Rafi say, Ek शहनशाह ने बनवा के हसी ताज महल, सारी दुनिया को मोहब्बत की निशानी दी है, इसके साए में सदा प्यार के चर्चे होंगे, खत्म जो हो न सकेगी वो कहानी दी है, एक शहनशाह ने बनवा के हसी ताज महल.
ఐ థింక్ రఫీజీ వినుంటే ఎంత సంతోషపడేవారు. పైనుంచి వింటున్నారు ఆయన.
సో స్వీట్ ఆఫ్ యు టు సే.
మీ గొంతుని ఎక్కడ చెక్కు చెదరకుండా ఉంచడానికి మీరు పాటించే ఒక టిప్, లైక్ ఐ డ్రింక్ ఓన్లీ హాట్ వాటర్, ఐ డోంట్ ఈట్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్, ఐ డోంట్ ఈట్ పికిల్స్, అలా ఎనీ వన్ థింగ్ దట్ యు డూ టు కీప్ యువర్ వాయిసెస్ ఇంటాక్ట్?
No. I love ice creams, I love sweets, I love pickles.
No, but you tell what you do, not what you don't do. I mean, there are some things we do, right? So one of the things both of us do is akara sadaka, which I think is, it settles your voice. For instance, that long hold, it ensures smooth tonality. So it could be like that when you start out, and then you bring stability and sweetness by holding your long notes. So that is something that I think has added stability, and when you open a concert, especially, the voice is not ready. It takes half an hour to settle for me sometimes. So when you do 1 hour or 2 hours practice in the room, settle your voice, and you come, it just falls into place. So that's one thing. Range practice, your varishais, alankaras, all of that definitely helps
సెటిల్ ద వాయిస్ అండ్ కీప్
voice
ఇట్.
better.
సినిమా సంగీతంలో చెప్పారు, శాస్త్రీయ సంగీతంలో మీరు చాలా అడ్మైర్ చేసే ఆర్టిస్ట్, మీ కంటెంపరీస్ కావచ్చు, మీ సీనియర్స్ కావచ్చు, ఎవరైనా?
I love to listen to K.V. Narayanaswamy, and of course Shamangudi, who is our guru's guru.
అవును.
So I love listening to his music. There's a lot of feel, top of the mind. Those are the names: Ramnath Krishnan,
Volati Venkateshwaralu, his creative flights, his penchant for handling Hindustani raga so beautifully through Ashtapatis.
true.
That
Volati
is
గారి బాణీలు.
what a wonderful, magical musician. Of course, I think icon of feminine grace in music, M.S. Subbalakshmi. Whenever we go and listen to a song rendition, you really feel that it is the sweetest, most pure rendition. Her voice is so sweet and so beautiful. So she is another musician that you can always go and listen to and pick the patantara from hers. Nedunuri Garu. I mean, these are all musicians who we heard growing up. And so I think it has gone into our mind and hearts.
ద బెస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ యూ హ్యావ్ రిసీవ్డ్, అంటే మిమ్మల్ని చాలా ఒక మంచి ఆశీర్వచనం ఇచ్చి మెచ్చుకున్న ఒక స్టాల్ వర్డ్, వాట్ వాజ్ దట్ ఒకేషన్ ఆర్ టైమ్? మ్యూజిషియన్ ఐడియలీ.
musician. I do remember that Gayatri had accompanied Srimati D.K. Pattamal Garu when she was I think 13
Yeah, 13 or 14.
in a concert in Mumbai. She had accompanied. So after the concert, my parents could not come because both of them were working, so they couldn't accompany us that time. And she accompanied D.K. Pattamal Garu on the violin. My grandmother was there with us to escort us. I mean, I was also there as a listener to the concert. And Pattama Garu called my grandmother and said, "Oh, you are along with her?" She said, yes, she's my granddaughter. They said, Saraswati is there with her. Now, very soon, Lakshmi will also come with her. Please tell her parents that this girl is truly gifted and to nurture them.
How generous.
Very generous.
I
Beautiful.
remember certain musicians, all musicians have been, you have blessed us very abundantly. The way I remember playing for Balamurali Garu, the way he generously made space for me and smiled and encouraged me. I was just 14 when I played with him. Not at all fit to sit even near such a legend, but the way they just encourage you, that it's a blessing. And then another time we went to sing in front of M.S. Subbalakshmi Amma in 99. This was early vocal singing days. And we also played violin for her 1 hour because the musician who took us to her was Vidwan Kedarnathan, who was very close to her. He's also a fantastic musician and teacher. So he said that Amma should listen to you play violin and sing. She should know that you're multi-talented, he said. So we played violin for 1 hour, and first when we went, she was sitting in a chair, very, very, very polite and nice, but she kept a distance from us. And as the evening progressed and we started singing, she was so warm and loving that after the music ended, she gathered us to her and she hugged us. All the distance was dissolved. And that is not our music, that is her greatness. So I think truly senior musicians have shown us by example what grace and what big heart is.
Yes.
And that I am very grateful for. And innumerable musicians, I only pointed out 2 musicians, but so many of them who have
heard us and blessed us
And
abundantly.
we carry those blessings with us.
వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. అండ్ ఇంకా మాటల్లో చెప్పలేనంత ఆనందంగా ఉంది
The
మాకు.
way you have so sensitively, so beautifully anchored the conversation, how much you understand and connect with music comes out so beautifully in your questions. It's not an interview that you just come with a standard set of questions and you just want some answers. So much with heart you have asked us, and that made us also look within us to answer these questions. So thank you.
Thank you for your
you.
wonderful conversation. We really enjoyed it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఐఎమ్ బ్లెస్డ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో సుమన్ టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులు ఆంగ్లంలో ఉన్నా కూడా మనకి సంగీతానికి, స్వరాలకి, మంచితనానికి, మంచి భావాలకి భాష అక్కర్లేదు. సో మనసుతో అర్థం చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి ఇదిగో రంజని, గాయత్రి వీరిద్దరూ విదుషీమణులుగా ఎప్పటికీ కళకళలాడుతూ ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా వారి ఖ్యాతి ఇంకా పెరగాలని చెప్పి కోరుకుందాం.
Namaskar.